Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to transfer domain to Cloudflare. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open up your web browser and go to official website of Cloudflare. Then, log into your Cloudflare account on your PC. Once logged in, navigate to the left-hand menu and find the domain registration option. Click on it and you'll see a register domain button. Clicking this will take you to a page where you can search for the domain name you want to purchase. For example, if you have a specific domain name in mind, enter it into the search bar. Cloudflare will then check its availability. If the domain is available, Cloudflare will display various top-level domain TLD options such as .com, .net, or .org, along with their respective prices. Cloudflare is known for offering competitive prices, often cheaper than many other registrars, making it a great choice for domain registration. Once you've decided on the domain and the TLD you want, click on the domain to proceed with the purchase. You'll be prompted to select the registration period, which can range from 1 to 10 years. Choosing a longer period can save you the hassle of annual renewals. Next, you need to provide your business details and set up your payment method. Cloudflare accepts various payment options, including credit and debit cards as well as PayPal. You can also enable automatic renewals to ensure that your domain doesn't expire, which is a recommended practice for maintaining uninterrupted ownership. After filling in your payment details, click on Complete Purchase. Your domain will be registered and you'll be ready to use it for building your website or any other online project. And that's it. Your domain registration is complete, and you can now use Cloudflare additional services such as DNS management and security features to enhance your domain's performance and protection. So that's basically how you can transfer domain to Cloudflare. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.